Okay, my loves, I am back, and I thought the game was on this channel. Let's get this blue stuff off my lip. And let's get on with my crab legs. Let's eat a potato while we are trying to figure out this game. Yeah, let's get this game started. Let's get this game started. This is gonna be messy, so you don't want to watch it, click off. What I have is snow crab legs, mussels, and shrimp. They all came in a bag. I just put up the video if you want to know how I prepared it. And I have corn and potatoes and red wine and garlic butter sauce. Basic what I'm sitting here and watch the game. And thank you to the person that prepared, you know, trying to break things with this thumb is not going to get it. Eating crab legs is not neat, so at least not for me. My camera keeps cutting off. But anyway, toast it up. Happy Sunday. Happy football day. I'm not a mukbang channel, but you know, I'm trying something different. I couldn't be a mukbang because I don't eat a lot of food, and I'm not trying to sit in front of a camera every day and eat food. That's a no-no. It's not my cup of tea. I love to cook the food, but that's about it. Let's try these mussels. Huh? Let's see if this game is going to play correct today. I also got me some water. Today, this thing loads so slow. Oh, there we go. Giants and the Lions. Okay. Let's put some noise to it. It's loading. But anyway. Well, while we waiting for this thing to load, I don't know what's going on with my Fire Stick. I had somebody talk about a topic about fathers, and it was a topic about the lady didn't want the child to see the father. No, the stepfather didn't want the child to see her father anymore. Who the hell are you? My camera keeps cutting off. Not sure why. But I never put my children in the middle of anything, period. And I think parents, to get off this topic, stop doing that. Stop doing that. Stop doing that. It's not fair to the children. Now, if he was abusive and all that other stuff, different story. Then he should be in jail for being abusive. But if he's not in jail and the courts didn't order him not to see the children, you can't do it either because he has rights. God forbid he fight for them children and he end up winning them and you be without them. How would you feel? Because I've seen it happen. So, don't be all pissed off at him and taking it out on the children. It's not their fault. Your relationship didn't work. So on to another topic. Why this game is still not playing on this TV. It's 1:24. It probably stopped playing at 1:30. Not sure why it's doing that. I'm missing the probably again the first quarter. But I mean, this crab legs and the crab legs in that bag thing. I mean, you get 3 clusters, but not 3 full clusters. But they're kind of tiny. But hey, I'm a tiny eater. Let's try this corn. Okay, being that my camera keeps cutting off and my Giants is not playing yet, and it's 1:25, I'm going to end this video right here and eat the rest of my food. Thank you for watching. This is your girl Tara Love Diva. Have a great day, and once again, do not put your children in the middle of adult situations. If the court did not order the father or the mother not to see the children, you can't take it upon yourself to do it because that's not your power. He has rights and she has rights. If you seek otherwise, then take him to court. But until then, your boyfriend, sister, cousin, uncle, brother, mother, and all of them cannot tell you or tell the kid's father he cannot see his children. That's a no-no. You angry, look at yourself and fuss with yourself, not with your children not seeing their father. That's not fair to the children. So knock it off. Bye-bye now.